So let's see. If the banks don't have any of these problems, why are their stocks such dogs? Simple. They might not be suffering like the cruise lines or the oil producers or the retailers or the restaurants or the airlines or the industrials. But you know what all those groups have in common? They owe the banks a lot of money. And now, because of the flattened yield curve, the banks are making risky loans at what could be ridiculously low prices or interest rates. Now, let me put this in context. On Monday, one of our absolute favorite companies, but not the stock, Norwegian Cruise Lines, borrowed $675 million from J.P. Morgan. They're a client, and J.P. Morgan is going to help its clients survive through tough times and good times, as the spokesperson from the bank explained. They're good bankers. That's what they do. But what happens if the virus keeps raging and the customers don't come back to Norwegian? Filings show Norwegian has $6 billion in long-term debt. While it is a very well-run company, our government's chief epidemiologist, Dr. Tony Fauci, is saying the elderly should avoid cruises. Well, that's something that's not exactly inspiring for the elderly, or for that matter, the younger people either. It doesn't help that so many of these ships seem like floating petri dishes or even hospital ships from the look at them. They're just behemoth, frightening masses. Sure, the president has pledged to help troubled industries like the cruise lines. Maybe look at low-interest loans from the government. Although I don't know whether that would fly with anyone in Congress, a bailout of the cruise lines. Some of them aren't even flagged here. I mean, I don't know. Who gets hurt? Well, I'd say it's the lenders, like J.P. Morgan. Every one of these industries takes down debt. Every one of these industries is, shall we say, suspect now. If cruise lines and restaurants and retailers and airlines and oils are in trouble, well, so are the bankers.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.